Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to start a new series on Ruby programming language. So, the website that you are seeing is the official website of the Ruby programming language. Ruby is a dynamically typed programming language, just like Python. So, it's actually very popular for the web development field, and the popular framework in Ruby is Ruby on Rails. So in this video we will be uh, installing the Ruby, and we'll be looking how to install Ruby and how can we execute a simple hello world program in Ruby. So as you can see, this is the official website of the Ruby. So here you can see the download link of the Ruby. So depending upon your operating system, whether it's a Linux or macOS or Windows machine, you can follow the instructions according to your operating system. So if you are using Windows, you can just simply click on this link, and here you can download the exe for the Windows machine. So as of recording, this 3.3 is the latest Ruby version. Here you can download and install if you are in Windows, and for the Linux and macOS systems, we have a Ruby version manager, or in Mac maybe you can use other package managers as Brew as well. So in my machine I have already installed the Ruby. So in order to verify that, you can open your code editor. So and if you open your command prompt from the VS Code, here I am using the VS Code, and if you type Ruby space -v, you can see there is a version will be printed here. So in my machine, the version of the Ruby is 3.0. So anything above 3 is okay for this series. And so once you execute this command, if you are getting some version printed out, that means installation has been successfully completed. And if you are getting command not found or any other errors, that means you need to fix your installation. So once this is completed, we can try our first hello world program. So here I have opened a dummy folder, and I'm creating a new file named index.rb. So for Ruby, in order to execute the Ruby files, the file extensions must be .rb, and you can print a hello world using this command. So like print in other programming languages, in Ruby we use puts command, and after the space you can put whatever you need to print. So in this example, we are simply printing an hello world program, and in order to execute that, you can simply type the Ruby space the file name. So here I am typing Ruby space index.rb, and when I execute that, I will get the output in the console. So for this basic programming series, we will be executing all the programs like this, because we'll be learning the fundamentals of the Ruby language. So this is how we can execute a basic Ruby program.